Hi guys, to show in this video how they are working for roughing slab, plumbing and electrical work. Here you can see they poured concrete for foundation and they lay 2 courses of a block, pour solid. Here you can see anchor bolt, base plate, anchor bolt here. Not diamond, that's just a square. Okay, and here you can see here they have a plate, top of plate 10 foot, and here the orange mark, that's the location for the rebar. You can see at the corner, and 2 each opening, and here bond beam. That bond beam, they should flip it, so that will be smooth. And there is a bond beam here. This one is a steel lintel. That is a steel lintel welded with that column and the plate here, sit plate here, and welded with column. And this one should be poured solid. And you can see the tie for bricks. Okay, here you have a flashing, that's the 0 elevation, and here again you can see there's no diamond, that's a square, no diamond. Okay, so it's block work and rough slab for electrical and plumbing. Those mason dowel. And here sanitary, you can see they cover it with tape. Electrical work, and here you can see it's square, anchor bolt and the plate, square anchor bolt and the plate, flashing. And again here you can see the location for the rebar, so they will pour solid. And here you can see expansion joint, and that's the good work. You can see the rebar stick out like 4 foot, and tie good, tie well. You can see rebar tie here. You can see at the corner there's 3 here at the corner, 3, and also 3 here at the corner. Expansion joint, 1 here and 1 here. You can see that's where the drawing. Okay. Okay, and here that's the mark for the top of a plate, Okay, so top of plate will be there. So that's the mark everywhere. You can see they mark it everywhere. And here you can see they set steel structure. Okay, good mason work here. Finish joint, that will be finish work. Here over there they set door, and you can see electrical work over there. A lot of conduit came out, step out, those conduits step out. And here you can see the floor clean out, the concrete floor clean out. You can see floor plumbing. Okay guys, so here that plate is welded, that lintel is welded, stick out like 5 inches, and here set on the plate. Okay, so it's all about mason work, location for rebar. Okay, so they pour solid. You can see here there's a lot of rebar. You can see the rebar each cells. Rebar each one. Same thing over there, a lot of rebar. So you can see the orange mark Here diamond plate, and you can see the top of a plate, the elevation over there. They didn't finish yet. Opening for mechanical work, steel structure set, very good measurement center to center. Over there they have the water line, and they are using for machinery work here. That water hose. Okay. So they are using the bracing for mason, same thing like bricks work. You can see here. Same thing here. You can see, make sure everything is level and plumb. That's how to make great work. Here a lot of electrical work came back. Here you can see rebar each cell. Okay, that will carry steel structure at the top with top plates. Okay guys, here you can see conduits outside, mason work here, rebar joist over there. So that mason, that wall will carry the rebar joist. So here you can see flashing for solid, as I said. Okay, it's all about mason work, foundation, steel structure. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys, bye.